You alright?
No.
What's going on?
Alpha 224 Flagler.
You may favor shut the vehicle off? Shut your vehicle off. Turn the car off.
What are you doing to me?
There you go. There you go. You're good. Okay.
On the afternoon of July 16, 2023, Michael Alfonso, who had just been reported to 911 for driving drunk, passed directly by a nearby deputy. And what followed next was an absolute mess.
Flagler County Sheriff's Office Dispatch. This is Lainey. How can I help you?
Hi, I just wanted to report a drunk driver. We're heading on Colbert North, and this guy has been in the other lane, in the grass like crazy.
Alpha 224 Flagler. 1065, 1050 on that vehicle. It's going to be 100 westbound at Memorial Medical. It's Florida tag. Correction. Texas tag. Romeo Sierra Yankee 0297 RSY 0297. It's a black Mercedes. Signal 12.
10 Flagler on Wisdom. He is turning into the hospital. 23. Flagler units 1033 traffic on primary. All other units switch to teletype.
Stop the vehicle. Pull over. Do it now.
110, he's not fleeing, but he's not stopping. Is there anybody else in the top there?
You got terminated? What are you doing? What? We've had our lights and sirens on since I-95, and you've taken this long to pull over. You may favor shut the vehicle off? Shut your vehicle off. Turn the car off. It is a very simple thing I'm asking you to do.
Trigger warning. What you're about to see might be one of the drunkest attempts to exit a vehicle while still trying to look sober.
Okay, step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle for me.
Come on out, bud. You okay? I'm still doctored to the office because I haven't.
You can.
Had.
Come on.
You alright?
No.
What's going on? What's up?
What?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Well, I asked you if you were alright and you said no.
Correct.
So what's going on? Why aren't you okay? Why aren't you okay? What's going on?
All right. So here's the thing, Mike. Okay. Our medical staff checked you out. Okay. Right now, your blood sugar is fine. Okay. You are presenting symptoms of what I believe are consistent with impairment. Okay. Whether that be alcohol or narcotics. Okay. Right now, what I'm going to ask you is, are you willing to perform standardized field sobriety exercises to dispel my concern of you being able to safely operate a motor vehicle?
No.
Okay. You are not willing to perform field sobriety exercises.
So, what?
Okay. So if you refuse to perform standardized field sobriety exercises, okay,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to make my decision based off of the indicators of impairment you've already presented to me, okay? And said indicators may be used against you in court, okay? I'm giving you a fair opportunity here. Do you want to perform standardized field sobriety exercises?
Okay, cool.
Huh? Mike, step out of the vehicle.
What are you doing to me?
Let's go.
Come on, help me there, please.
Well, hell, come on up. There you go. There you go. You're good.
At this point, the outcome is becoming painfully obvious. The officers aren't judging the suspect. They're watching whether he can perform the most basic movements safely. And right now, that's becoming nearly impossible.
Okay. I think we've seen most of what we need to see, in my opinion. I don't know. If
Mike, you were just standing up. Come on.
I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
The door.
What are you, an asshole? What are you, an asshole?
This is the moment the focus shifts from investigation to safety, when someone can barely stand on their own. Officers have to balance enforcement with making sure the person doesn't seriously hurt
What are you, an asshole?
I'm not being an asshole.
I'm trying to fucking do what you trying.
Okay.
Fuck you, man.
Go ahead.
Realizing Michael was no longer capable of basic motor functions, officers stepped in and began treating him accordingly, as they couldn't bear to watch an upstanding citizen in such turmoil.
Come on up, dude.
And we're going to take him there.
Come on.
Okay, let me see where we get from here.
Come on. Those legs work. There you go. Yay. All right. You can reach out to the car. Look at that. All right.
Man.
Good job. Working legs today.
It's always a plus.
224,
Why are you an asshole?
I'm not being an asshole.
Yeah, you are.
And just like that, the night comes to an end with handcuffs. Instead of a ride home, one decision to drive impaired can trigger arrests, court appearances, license consequences, and risks that extend far beyond this single traffic stop. Was it ever worth it?
Oh, an asshole.
Nope, not yet.
Fuck you.
Okay. Well,
Fuck you, man. You're
put
an
your hands
asshole.
behind your back.
Yeah.
All right?
That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just
Yep. Absolutely.
took him showing his ass.
Fuck you.
I'm
Fucking piece of shit.
Mike, you're under arrest for driving under the influence.
That's great. You're an asshole.
I know I'm an asshole.
And with that, Michael's night of drunk driving came to a rolling